Hi guys, in the lecture 4 we will discuss the special right triangles in which the angles are 30 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. So we will study how to find out sine 30 degree, cos 30 degree and likewise the other trigonometric ratios, and similarly for the angle 60 degree. So for this, first we take an equilateral triangle. So equilateral triangle ABC, so all the sides are equal. So we take, let each side be 2x. So we write the sides 2x, this also 2x, and draw the perpendicular from this. We name it as AD. So since it is an equilateral triangle, so all the angles are 60 degree, and in the equilateral triangle the perpendicular is also the angle bisector. That means this, each angle will be 30 degree. So 60 is divided in two equal parts, so 30 degree each. And similarly AD is also the perpendicular bisector. AD is perpendicular bisector of side BC. So this gives BD is equal to DC. So since it is 2x, that means each part will be equal to x. So now we take the right triangle ADB. So I'm drawing it again. This is 90 degree, so D, and this one is B. Here it is 60 degree, this one is 30 degree. 2x, this is x. Using Pythagoras theorem, we can find out the side AD. So we write in right triangle ABD. Using Pythagoras theorem, we can write AB square is equals to BD square plus AD square. So hypotenuse square is equals to sum of the squares of other two sides. AB, as per assumption, it is 2x, so it will be 2x square. BD is x, so it is x square. AD we are supposed to find out, so we keep it as it is. So this one is 4x square is equals to x square plus AD square. That means it is 4x square minus x square is AD square. Or it is 3x square is AD square. Or AD can be written as square root of 3x square. Or AD will be equals to x square, outside the root it becomes x, and it is square root of 3. That means this AD is root 3 times x. This we have calculated. Now in this right triangle, we know all the sides 2x is hypotenuse, and these are the two sides root 3 times x and x. So now we will take the reference angle 60 first, and then we'll take the reference angle 30, and then we'll find the values of all trigonometric ratios. So now I'm drawing the figure once again. This was ADB 90, it is 60, 30, this is 2x, this is root 3 times x, this one is x. Now we take the reference angle. For reference angle, B, 60 degree. So for the reference angle B, 60 degree, opposite to 60, the side is AD, root 3x. So opposite is root 3x. Hypotenuse is 2x, opposite to 90 degree. And the third left side is the adjacent side, which is x. So opposite to 60, it is the root 3 times x, this hypotenuse, and the third is the adjacent side. Now we will write using SOHCAHTOA sine. So you can write here. So sine of the reference angle 60 degree. This is equals to opposite upon hypotenuse. That means it is opposite is root 3x and hypotenuse is 2x. So x gets cancelled, so it is root 3 upon 2. That means from here we get sine 60 degree is equals to root 3 upon 2. So we get the value of sine 60 degree. Same way, for the cosine ratio, we'll use cosine is equals to adjacent upon hypotenuse. So it is cosine 60 degree is equal to adjacent, this one is adjacent upon hypotenuse. So adjacent is x upon hypotenuse 2x. So x gets cancelled, so we are left with 1 over 2. That means cosine 60 degree is equals to half. Tangent 60 degree. Tangent is opposite upon adjacent. So tangent 60 degree is opposite upon adjacent. So opposite is root 3x and adjacent x. So x gets cancelled. So it is root 3. That means tangent 60 degree is equals to root 3. Now the reciprocal ratios of sine. So sine 60 degree, the reciprocal of sine is cosecant, so it is cosecant 60 degree is equals to the reciprocal of this part, so it becomes 2 over root 3. Since there is a radical in the denominator, so we rationalize it, which is 2 root 3 upon 3. So we get cosecant 60 degree is 2 root 3 upon 3. Then the reciprocal of cosine 60, so it is secant 60 degree. So secant 60 degree will be the reciprocal of this one, so it is 2 over 1, so which is 2. So it gives secant 60 degree is 2. Then the reciprocal of tangent is cotangent 60 degree. So the reciprocal of this will be 1 over root 3, so which can be rationalized since there is root in the denominator. So it is root 3 upon 3, which gives cotangent 60 degree as root 3 upon 3. So you can see that this is easy way to find the values of 60 degree for the trigonometric ratios. Now again we'll take the reference angle as 30 degree and find the values of sine 30 and the remaining trigonometric ratios. So I'm drawing the triangle once again. So this one is ADB. This is 2x root 3 times x. This is x. This one is 30 degree. Now this was 60 degree. For the reference angle, for the reference angle 30 degree, we will write the opposite hypotenuse and base. So opposite to 30 degree, the side is BD. So opposite side is x. Hypotenuse is always same in one right triangle, so it is 2x opposite to 90 degree, and the adjacent side. So opposite is x, this is hypotenuse, the remaining side is root 3 times x, which is the adjacent side. Now using SOHCAHTOA, we write sine 30 degree is equals to opposite upon hypotenuse. So opposite is x upon hypotenuse is 2x. So x gets cancelled, so it is 1 over 2. So first is sine 30 degree is 1/2. Then cosine 30 degree. cosine is adjacent upon hypotenuse. So adjacent upon hypotenuse. So we get it is root 3 times x upon hypotenuse is 2x. So which gives x gets cancelled. So cosine 30 degree is equals to root 3 upon 2. Then tangent 30 degree. Tangent is opposite upon adjacent. So opposite is x upon adjacent is root 3 times x. So it is 1x, so x gets cancelled. That means tangent 30 degree is 1 over root 3. But since it is the radical here, so we rationalize it. So which is root 3 upon 3. So we get tangent 30 degree is equals to root 3 upon 3. Then the reciprocals of these three. So reciprocal of sine is cosecant 30 degree, which is the reciprocal from here. So 2 over 1. That means cosecant 30 degree is 2. Then reciprocal of cosine. So it is secant 30 degree. So the reciprocal is 2 over root 3. So since it is radical here, so we rationalize it. So which is 2 root 3 upon 3. So we get secant 30 degree is equals to 2 root 3 upon 3. Then the reciprocal of tangent, it is cotangent 30 degree. So cotangent is root 3 upon 3, or from here we write it as 1 over root 3. The reciprocal will be root 3 over 1. So that means cotangent 30 degree is root 3. So this way you can find the values for all the trigonometric ratios for the angles 30 degree as well as for 60 degree by making first an equilateral triangle and then following the procedure as I've shown in the previous steps. So hope you have liked the video. If you have liked the video, give a big thumbs up. So see you in the next video. Okay, bye.